In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the recoil velocity of a gun. Calculate the recoil velocity of a gun of mass 0.4 kilograms, which fires a bullet of mass 0.090 kilograms at a velocity of 600 meters per second. So the first thing, we are going to consider the law of conservation of linear momentum, and we are going to have this equation: the sum of momentum before firing should be equal to the sum of momentum after firing. And that is, if we have the mass of the gun represented by m1 and its initial velocity as u1, then this will be added to, so m times u, that is momentum, mass times velocity, and then we add that to momentum due to the bullet, that is m2 u2. This is the initial velocity of the bullet, and then we have to equate that to their momentum, the sum of their momentum, that is after firing. Then after firing, we have m1 v1, so mass of the gun times the final velocity of the gun, plus m2 v2, that is mass of the bullet times the final velocity for the bullet. So doing our substitutions, we have mass of the gun as 0.4, and before firing both of them are stationary, and then that means that the velocity is 0. And here also mass of the bullet 0.09 kilograms times the velocity, which is 0. That is before firing. They are both stationary. And then after firing, we have mass of the gun 0.4 times its velocity, which will be the recoil velocity. That is the velocity of the gun after firing. And then we have to add that to mass of the bullet, which is 0.09 times the velocity of the bullet after firing, which we are told is 600 meters per second. So the left hand side becomes 0, and the right hand side we have 0.4 v1 plus 54. And therefore, when we take 54 to the left hand side, we will have 0.4 v1 is equal to negative 54. Dividing both sides by 0.4, v1 becomes negative 135 meters per second. So this is the recoil velocity, or the velocity of the gun after firing. So negative here implies that velocity of the gun was in the opposite direction to the direction of the bullet. And with that, we come to the end of the solution to this problem. I want to thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.